Welcome to Gen X Gypsy. I am so excited because in 20 days I am taking off for Hawaii. It'll be my first time to Maui, my fourth time to Hawaii, and I just can't wait. It's going to be so much fun. You'll want to make sure you stay into the last item because I made sure to save the best for last, and I think you're going to love this little thing as much as I do. If this is your first time here, this is a channel about travel, adventure, and lifestyle for those of us who are in our midlife but want to make it our best life. If that's something that interests you, please subscribe and maybe share this channel with other people that you think might enjoy this information. So today I have an Amazon haul of things that I am excited to try out on my upcoming trip to Hawaii, and I just wanted to share what I got today with you. So come along. As we all know, when you go somewhere like Hawaii or the Caribbean and you're going to be in the sun a lot, and as we've gotten older, that it's super important to protect our skin. In addition to sunscreen, it is good to have a hat that has SPF in it and can protect your eyes and all of that good stuff. Well, I have a ton of baseball hats, but I really wanted something a little dressier, and I've had trouble in the past finding a straw hat that really fit my head because I have kind of a small head. So I was excited to see this on Amazon. So it's a super cute little fedora type, whoops, that was backwards, little fedora type hat. See? And I really like the way it fits, but the best thing about this hat is that it has, and I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, it has an adjustable tie inside the hat band. So I can make it smaller or make it bigger, which was great for getting it to fit on top of my head. So I'm very excited to use this while I'm on my trip. It's also, it packs down flat, so it shouldn't take up a whole lot of space in my luggage. The next thing I wanted to share that I picked up that I'm excited to use, I have been hearing a ton about using shampoo bars and conditioner bars. Now, I had picked up a conditioner bar at TJ Maxx or somewhere like that, but I wanted to get a shampoo bar. And the thing I love about this one is it is reef safe and vegan and all of those good things. Especially going to Hawaii, it really puts into perspective making sure that you're using products that are good for our ocean's health. So this is one of those things. I haven't opened it yet, so let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh, it smells really good. It is coconutty, so this is what it looks like. And I am excited to use this. I will do a review of a lot of these products and how they worked for me in Hawaii after I get back. If you are interested in any of these items, as usual, I will have links to them below in the description for the video, so you can go check them out. Next up, I got these adorable little sporks. They're bamboo sporks. I like to travel with some food, especially since it's going to be about a 17-hour travel day for me from North Carolina to Hawaii. I want to make sure that I'm going to have something good to eat. And if you have something to eat, you got to have something to eat it with. I really like these. They're cute, they're lightweight, they don't take up a lot of space. I am planning on making like a rice salad to have on the plane with me. Airplanes rarely have any plant-based options for when you're traveling. I like to take my own food, and these will be perfect for eating my little rice salad with. So this little thing is, even though it's small, it's mighty. I was excited to get a package of these. They are bendable cord holders. So you can shape them into your, shape them around your cords like I did on my Kindle charger cord like this, and it just helps to keep everything in place and a little bit easier to grab when you're pulling it out of your bag or whatever you may keep your electronics in. So super excited about these. Flexible, not very expensive at all, and really is going to help with making things easier to pack. which is what we're always looking for, right? This next item I'm going to talk about is something that I have seen a ton of travel YouTubers talk about. So I was excited to get my own. Again, it's not a very expensive item, but I am really looking forward to trying this out on the plane trip to Hawaii. So it's called the Flex and Flap, and it was actually created by a flight attendant, and it is a foldable, moldable piece of cardboard. You can see how thin it is, so it's easy to pack. But you fold it up like this, and then you fold the top like this, and then you slide it into the seat back in front of you, and then your phone, my phone, will sit like this. And then I can watch movies while I'm sitting in my seat. Whoops. Put it up here like this into the seat back in front of you, and then you can watch your movies, and it'll be at a height that will be much better for your neck, so you don't end up with a sore neck and it'll kink by the time you're done with your flight. I'm really excited to try this out, and I'll have to make sure that I remember to have my Netflix downloaded to my phone before I go. Now, this is an item that I have been wanting to get for a while, and I think I talked about it in my last video, that I have one of the old regular neck pillows that's just kind of bulky and it doesn't really work all that well. So I ordered a turtle, and I'm really excited to use this on the plane. I have to kind of figure out how it works first, because I just got it today and I just opened the box, so I haven't really had a chance to try it out. But it looks like it goes around like this, and you wrap it around your head and your neck, and it's got some Velcro, and you pull it on really tight like this, and then you can just kind of lay your head. And I mean, I have to say right now, I don't know if you can hear me very well, but it's way more comfortable than the old pillow is. Trying to relax, but maybe I'll be able to sleep on the plane with this. That would be lovely. Again, when I get back from my trip, I will do a review of this along with some of these other items that I got as well. It's always nice to know how things work after you get them, because sometimes you can be super excited about them when you first get them, and then you use them and you realize, yeah. Another thing I struggle with when I go to sunny locations like Hawaii or the Caribbean or Nicaragua is sunglasses. I like to have a few pairs of sunglasses. I like to have variety because, you know, different outfits call for different things. When I hike, I have like my athletic sunglasses, but I also like to have a couple of pairs of dressier sunglasses, but they take up a lot of space. So I was excited to see the foldable sunglasses. Now, I'm not ponying up $160 for the Ray-Bans. I think some of them were even over 200. So I opted to get one of the copycats on Amazon. So I'm not sure how they will last, but they were only like $20. So I'm willing to try them out and see how they do. So this is how they look on, which I thought, you know, not too bad, especially with my new little fancy hat. And they have really good coverage. They actually like cover my face, and they're kind of big, and they come in a little bit more on the side than I kind of thought they might. I thought they would be a little flat. But the best thing about these is you do this, and you do this, and you do this, and you fold them up just like that. And then they're just a little package, and then you can just pack them away so much easier than taking even this full bulky sunglass case, which it came with, but I don't have to pack this whole thing if I don't want to, or if I'm just going somewhere and I want to be able to throw a pair of sunglasses in my little tiny handbag, these will squeeze into one of the pockets really easily. So again, I will let you know how these last on the Hawaii trip, but I am really excited about these. So we are finally at my favorite new item that I got from Amazon, and it is a Lumi case, and I don't know if you can see it there. So it is a case that lights up on both sides of your phone, so when you're taking either selfies, so it lights up the front of the phone for your selfie, and it lights up your face, so you kind of get like the ring effect. And then it also has a light on the back, so if you are taking pictures in a darker place, Say when we're hiking in the jungle, this will light things up so it'll be a little bit brighter and should allow me to take even better pictures with my phone than I already have. This wasn't all that expensive, and I am super excited to try it out on this trip. You'll probably be seeing a lot more Instagram posts from me using this camera for both video and for pictures. And it's a lot easier to haul when we go on hikes than my big old Canon camera is. So I'm just really excited about this. Can you tell? If anybody else has a Lumi case out there, I'd love to hear tips and tricks that you have found using it to help me with my trip as well. If you have seen something that you are interested in, I do have links to all of the items in the description below, so go check those out. Thank you again for visiting GenX Gypsy. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to subscribe. Ring that bell so that you make sure you get notified every time I post a new video, which I am going to start doing twice a week now on Tuesdays and Fridays. And don't forget to share this too if you know somebody else who might enjoy this information. Goodbye! Have a great day!